In this video, you are going to see how to insert the down arrow symbol in Microsoft Word document. As you can see here, let's get started. We can apply different method. Go to insert, go to symbol, go to more symbol, and from here select the font normal text, and under the subset choose arrows and select the down arrow and click on insert. Then the down arrow will be inserted. There is another way. Go to insert, go to equation, click on insert new equation, click on over here, and here you will see the option down arrow. Then the down arrow will be inserted. There is another option. From your keyboard press 2193 and hit Alt X, then the down arrow will be inserted. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.